3, 2, 1.
Samaja will call those shadow warriors to her. You'll need to pick them off first.
3, 2, 1.
2, 1.
Three, two, one.
What?
I got the brain fuck.
I slowed it down.
You guys are very slow.
3, 2, 1.
Alright.
Much better.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, I thought I was doing it there. Whoops.
What? Oh my god. No, I always do it first.
Yeah, no, I was confused. Sorry.
Shit. You gotta hold your alt, Brad. Don't use it. You got him.
Yep.
Fire on tail.
Fuck, I almost got enough fast.
Icky and bread. Focus Aurora.
11, 2.
Relican coming in. Heavy. Me, no, Dead Rebel and Style. Okay. Heavy, heavy. We're gonna kill the creeper after this. Look where it is. Let's go. Kill the creeper.
Take Galen away. Take Galen away.
Okay, I got him. Heavy.
I got him.
Me and Higano.
Flare left to come.
Overload.
Block, block. Heavy, heavy. Beats.
Beats.
Go to the middle. Kill the creeper.
Oh, middle portal.
Kill the creeper.
Samaja's linked to her sage.
I'm silenced, Icky.
Okay.
Bread, Icky.
Orb and right.
Good, please.
Careful.
Dead Rebel and Style.
Orb coming in left.
Right.
Left. Let's fucking go.
Let's fucking
Holy
go.
shit,
Okay.
dude!
Go,
Oh,
dude!
nice.
I got the freaking Horfrost at the end.
Yeah, it's good, except for one hiccup. And
Wait, was that-
we're smoking today, guys. Like
Yeah.
clear every pole.
Oh, there. The notification was so late. I was like, how was that slower?
No.
Check out that Horfrost parse!
We missed
Nice.
Mr. Colossus.
we missed the Colossus.